Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you with some helpful advice and kind of where I'm at with my recently launched FBA product. The product I just launched has a really high profit margin. I'm selling it for around $99 at the moment, waiting till I can rank it up higher in the pages and build a nice solid standing for my product so I can then increase the product price. But it's selling for about $99 right now, and I'm currently making $35 every time I sell one unit. I'll show you guys the sales numbers here in just a moment, but I want to let you know kind of what I did and the update with it starting from when I first got it in. So as we can see on May 3rd, my inventory was fully shipped into Amazon warehouses on the 3rd and stocked into inventory. I only ordered 12 units on a really fast DHL air shipment to be shipped into Amazon, and my other 88 units are going to be arriving tomorrow on the 7th. So I've already sold 6 units of my product, so I'm almost out of them. So I'm glad I have the other resupplying shipment of 88 units coming in hot to start selling those out. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I've done inside of Amazon and outside of Amazon to help build my brand presence. But I want to announce a little product giveaway. My buddy's actually trying to get some reviews for his product, so if you guys comment down below that you want a product, or even look in the description of this video for my Facebook page and leave me a message, just send me a message saying pretty much you want to be included in this product giveaway. My friend's just giving away 5 units and he'll give them to you guys for free. You just have to live in the United States and he will give those to you through a coupon code. And once you get the product, just go ahead and leave him a review. So I'd encourage you guys to go ahead and do that, get some free product. And now let me go ahead and show you kind of what I'm looking at with my sales numbers right now. So I've only sold 2 units today, but the benefit of selling high profit margin products and high ticket items all together is you can see just 2 units that I've sold here resulted in $198 in sales. Now making $35 profit per unit, I've already made 70 bucks in profit for just selling 2 items. Now when you look at a normal job making about $100 a day or whatever, if I do $100 a day selling at least 3 units a day, I'm already making 3,000 bucks a month in profit. So this is the benefit of Amazon FBA. Use Amazon's traffic to get your product doing awesome and ranking it up and having all the customers find your product. Do what you can to rank your product up to the first page. I have a ton of videos on this. And pretty much outside of Amazon, you can do a number of other things. And I just had a live stream with my buddy Chris Jones, and I'll show you kind of what I've actually done with this, because I started making a Facebook page for my product and I was like, how am I even gonna get traction on this? I ran an ad and literally, you can see this morning I spent $10 and I had 512 likes on my page. I'll leave a video. You guys can check it up above. It'll come up and you can click on that and I'll show you exactly how I ran this Facebook ad to get super cheap likes on my product. You guys can see right here, as of updated right now, I have 613 likes on my Facebook page with having spent $11.84. The secret here, guys, is you see I have Bangladesh. I'm literally getting likes, it says for, what does it say? I'm getting likes for 1 cent a person out there. So literally what I'm doing, I had some people, I shared this post in a number of groups today when I had this kind of little success, and they said, well, Luke, you're not going to get a lot of post engagements anyway on your page, so why are you even doing this? The reason is, once I make an actual ad for my product and send it to the US marketplace, it's just gonna have the ad of my product and it'll say how many likes my page has at the bottom of that ad. So having that social presence and social approval of my page that has already got, I'm gonna not stop till I get like 2,000 likes on this thing, which might only cost me 20 bucks to get. I'll have 2,000 likes. It'll show that to the customers in the United States, and it'll have my product ad right there and the link to Amazon so they can go ahead and click into Amazon right there. I don't even imagine many people are gonna click into my Facebook page itself and go look at all around there. They're probably just gonna see the ad of the product, click on it, and go right into Amazon and go ahead and probably buy it from there. Another awesome thing I wanna give you guys a tip on if you're building a Facebook page is when you get your product, make a product insert. So you're gonna ask your supplier, hey, can you write a little message on a card and stick it in with my product? So when it arrives at the customer can see that and say, it says, go like this Facebook page and receive 10% off. So you'll have your Facebook page there, and real Amazon customers can go into your Facebook page, press the like button. They'll be notified whenever you drop new products or anything else. And now you have a repeat customer that you can go sell to all the time. So Facebook is an amazing way to start branching out for your brand. The other thing I did was make an Instagram page for my product as well. And I'll have a video, I don't know what side it comes up, but you can check out where my video was. It's how to use the app called Captivate. I think it's a $5 app. So what you use this app for is you go out and find people or niches that your product or service is going to be related to, and you inside the app you can go follow a bunch of the people who are already following that niche. So for instance, if I'm selling a pet product, I can go ahead and type in pet products or pet lovers on Instagram, and I'll be able to find a page that has like 20,000 followers. And on Captivate, I can go highlight all those 20,000 followers, and while I'm sleeping, Captivate will slowly follow those people overnight. So I'll wake up and there'll be maybe 300 new people that I've just followed, and I'll be following them from my Pet Lovers Instagram page that I made myself. And then all those people are gonna find my page. They're gonna say, oh, this guy followed me, let's go check him out. And if you already have like 12 posts, it's gonna look great on your Instagram. So people are gonna say, he's already got some posts, blah, 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 and they might go ahead and follow you back. And then you're gonna have your Amazon product linked right there in your bio section on your Instagram. So having Facebook and Instagram and then Amazon that's already getting you all that traffic organically is gonna be working wonders for you guys and your products. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. Life isn't all dandy, even though I'm seeing some success with my product and Amazon group. I literally got my wallet stolen from me last night, and I woke up and one of my friends asked me for $500 for rent. And you know, I'm feeling a little strapped right now, dropping thousands on products, but I went ahead and gave her this $500. I felt like giving, I might always get something back in return. I'm not always looking for that, but you know, good karma happens. And this is kind of what I wanted to share with you guys in this update. I kind of just updated the Facebook group that I just made, so that'll also be down in the link in the description. But the first link, guys, is going to be the Amazon Seller Pro course. And I made this course because I've gotten a lot of inquiries about people wanting to learn to sell on Amazon. So I figured, why not just make a 65 video full-length course? It's literally 6 hours long, twice as long as the first course I took by Tanner J. Fox. And why don't I just personally help those that are becoming my students start to succeed selling on Amazon? So whether it's your first business online or anything, or you're an experienced entrepreneur, this is for you guys, because Amazon is literally growing at such a rapid rate. I encourage you to click on that link and check out the course curriculum and read more about the statistics on how Amazon is actually growing and how fast it is growing, and they're basically monopolizing e-commerce around the world. So I want you guys to go ahead and check that out, and there will be a 25% discount for just a short limited time as I launch the course here in the beginning. But I'm excited, guys, because the way the world's going, it's going all online. We're getting products. This is just one product, and I'm only getting 2 sales right now, making $70 in profit. I encourage you guys to look for higher profit margin products. Don't go for something that just sells for 20 bucks, because you're gonna have to literally make how many sales? 50 sales a day, and you're making a lot of money then. If you make selling a $20 product and you have $5 profit on that product, you have to make 20 sales to even make $100. Now, if I make 3 sales of a product that's making $33 profit every time I sell it, I'm already making $100. So why not do this less work and make the same amount of money? So that's awesome, guys. I hope you guys please give this video a thumbs up. I just want to give you a quick product update. For my shipping, some people have been asking. I use DHL to get 12 units shipped into the Amazon warehouse super quick. It came in 2 days. I had those 12 units in stock. I started optimizing my listing, doing some PPC, starting to rank my products so that by the time I'm just about sold out of those 12 units, I'll have 88 more coming in to replenish, and I'll be selling my full-on units right then and there. I even made a YouTube video for my product, guys. I'm expanding out to YouTube videos on my girlfriend's page. Like, I don't even know, guys. I'm going out through all links. I literally broke my leg again, and last year when I broke my leg, that's when I started Amazon in the first place. I took 2 months off of my job and was able to lay in bed and learn Amazon. So I'm happy I broke my leg again. This is May 6th right now. I've woke up at 6 a.m. every day since May 1st, been jotting a ton of notes in my journal and just getting freaking hyped about this, guys. This is your life. When you have meaningful work to do in your life, you don't get tired, guys. You don't get tired. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wake up at 6 a.m. with a broken leg. Normal people would wake up and be like, what am I gonna do? Now I can work on my business from anywhere in the world. Like, it's the time freedom, guys. Not only are you gonna have meaningful work in your life that's gonna bring you fulfillment and make you radiate with just life and hype. Like, I don't know, I get too hyped about this. So I'm gonna bring you guys more product updates. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and definitely go check out those other videos I have on my channel. I've literally made about 170 videos since May 21st of last year. That's when I started my first video. I encourage everyone to start a YouTube channel. Even if you guys are shy, just bust the camera out. You go watch my first video. I did a review on Tanner Fox's video, on his course, and I was so quiet and slow and blah, 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 but now I'm hyped. Now Luke W's hyped, so go ahead, check out some of the videos I have. And if you guys do start a YouTube channel and get my course, you'll be able to affiliate market my course and make 20% commission every time you make a sale. That's what got me inspired in the first place to make a YouTube channel, because Tanner offered 20%, so I'd make $100 every time I sold one of his courses. I ended up making 60 plus sales of his course before realizing, like, I need to make my own, because if I'm selling all that of his, why don't I build something of my own where I can have one-on-one connection with my students and customers and things like that? Because now Tanner's got over 100,000 subscribers, and he's not answering all of his students with the utmost respect and care like Luke W's gonna do for you guys. So that's why I encourage, hop on this course while it's young and fruitful, and while Luke W's not blown up that big yet. So I encourage you guys to check that out, because I'm literally trying to build a reputation that I'm really helping people. So I'm not just going to take your money and when you ask me a question, give you a 2-word response. I'll hop on the phone with you guys and let you know what's good. So that's going to be about it. I kind of went on a little ramble there, but the product is up and running. I've gone to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, blown it up on Amazon, getting verified reviews from people. I've sent it out to Fiverr, a photographer in New York, to take professional images. The first day I got it in, I said, I'm doing this. I need pro images ASAP. So I'm going to get all those images. I'm just going to start branding the heck out of it and building more products up in this niche, because this niche is actually untapped. I found a great niche, and I have like 5 other product ideas I can go ahead and jump into once I get this one rolling. So I encourage you guys, go start Amazon, take action today. You can look at any other online business model like Shopify, dropshipping, any of that. Nothing becomes as passive as Amazon after you get your product running. It takes a while to find the product and to get it ranked and all that optimization with your listing. But after that, guys, you literally call your supplier and say, okay, I need 1,000 more units. And you sit back in the Caribbean beach and sipping pina coladas, living life, guys. Let's get it. I've seen so many people start this and have some good success. I've seen others start it, fail with their first product. I didn't really full on fail with my first product, but it wasn't making a ton of money. So people get discouraged and they give up. Me as a skateboarder my whole life, I've learned to not give up. I've learned to keep trying that trick until I literally land it. And having that pounded into my brain for so many years that I know that success will come after I keep trying, let me learn that I don't care. I'm going to take my time and keep growing Amazon over time. Some people have asked me, Luke, how come you're not blowing up super huge with your Amazon sales just yet? It's because honestly, I've spent so much time with YouTube videos, making 170, 180 videos on YouTube, and trying to reach out and just build everything up all at the same time, and letting Amazon grow slowly while I learn all the information that I need to so I can sell on Amazon. I've been selling on Amazon, but now that I found a real product, I know how to build a brand. I'm super stoked to start doing this. And with just a couple sales today, I'm seeing some great numbers coming in. Let's see, we could go ahead and refresh right now. Nothing new came in, but you see those small little dots down there? That's my other product that I was selling with a lower profit margin. I was making $8 every time I sold one of those. Now this big thing right here is from 2 sales today, and I'm not even selling my product at the price I want to sell it for. I want to sell it for around 120 bucks. So that'll be about $50 profit every time I sell a unit. Guys, Amazon, passive income, make the bank. You guys can do it. 14-year-olds are doing it. There's literally a course to help you do it. If you don't want to take a course, you can go learn all the stuff on YouTube for free. It might take you a little bit longer. You might fall in some pitfalls. That's why I recommend a course. You're going to get in a Facebook group. You're going to have one-on-one personal mentorship with all these people doing the same thing as well as me, myself, and I. And the thing I want to say that separates mine from other courses is I'm just hardcore about it, guys. I will get on the phone with you guys and do whatever it takes to get you guys successful. I've flown out to California to literally help people with their Amazon business. And these other guys that are promoting courses have such big YouTube channels that literally they don't have time to help everyone as individually as I'm going to be able to do. So with that said, guys, Luke W is going to peace out. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Washington State. If any of you guys are around the Seattle area, once my leg heals up and it's not snapped in half, it's healed up really fast. It's only been about a week and I can already kind of limp around on it now. So I'm going to get my car, whip out to Seattle. If you guys try and do some meetups, Luke W's down for meetups. I'm down for live streams. And again, guys, please drop a comment down below so I can give you a coupon code for my buddy's product that he's pretty much giving away. Once you receive it, just literally write a review saying this product's great, leave 5 stars, and that's going to help him out get some reviews for his product. So this is all I wanted to say. I'm super hyped. I want to keep staying on the line with you guys. I want to keep staying on the line, but I'm going to go ahead and get going, guys. It's a beautiful day out here. What else do we got? What else do we got? We got sunny days. We got the fence. We got the houses. So Luke W is going to sign out. And stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you later. Peace out, guys.